What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, I wanted to make this video on how you guys can make an easy $1,000 or more every single month using domains and CPA marketing. Very easy stuff. This is literally like a 1-2 method, or you can do a 1-2-3 method. It really depends on what you want to do or whatnot. But it's very simple. Literally, all you do is buy a domain and you start sending traffic to wherever you want. So you can send it to CPA marketing. You can send it to Amazon affiliate links. You know, wait, my bad. I take that back. Don't do that. You can send it to a website with Amazon affiliate links. Don't directly send it there. Very important not to do that unless you're doing it for sales. If you're doing it through the Amazon affiliate link, then no. All right. So you can pretty much do this with anything that you want. E-commerce stores, literally anything that requires traffic, even if you just got like a regular blog and you're just trying to get some traffic to that, whatever it is that you want to do, right? So let's just go over that. Now, quick side note. I know a lot of you guys were hitting me up about the level 2 since, this is all done manually. Yesterday was a holiday, guys, so, I was a little behind or whatnot, but you guys have been added to the course and whatnot. Everything is still 50% off for the next 3 days here to the 31st, and after that is it's over and done with. So hopefully you guys take advantage of this discount. I don't think I've done a discount, at least like for Team DeAngelo or anything, in like literally like 2 years. So yeah, if you haven't got in yet, definitely do it. Everything is 50% off. The discount code is literally just 50. You get 50% off everything, and that's including the almighty Google Trends, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, on that front. But yeah, right here, let's get into this, right? So basically, all you want to do is find a domain that has a that's already getting traffic. Oh, another quick side note: if you're a level 2 member, go watch this video right here called Domain Hunt. That's the video that shows you the video basically shows you everything, how to do all this in depth, how I'm making $1,000 doing this, the whole 9 yards, right? But back to it again here. So you want to find a domain that's already getting traffic. So let's say you go to a blog, right, that someone completely forgot about, and we're talking about, let's say they want to lose 10 pounds in a day or something like that, right? So you see the blog, everything is working, it's still getting traffic, but let's say their domain that they got for like all their affiliate links or whatever the case may be, let's say they're down, right? You can then go and buy that domain and then forward them to wherever you want them to go. And that is like literally just that simple. So the blog will be getting all the traffic. You would pay like $10 for the domain, depending on the domain, because there can be some of them that are thousands of dollars, right? So it really depends on the domains, but most of the time they're going to be a few bucks. Like you even find some with a .tk that's like going for like 20-30 bucks or whatever. So I mean, it really just depends on the domain, because if it's like a really big domain that's been getting a lot of traffic, obviously whoever owns it at that point would want some money for it. So you might see some that are 1,000, 2,000, couple $100 or whatever, but if you find it and for a fact it's getting traffic, you are going to make that money back like that. So it really doesn't matter, right? Now, what you don't want to do is just go and buy a random domain. So some people watched my other video and thought like, oh, well, I just buy a domain and then I will get traffic. No, that's not how it works. The domain has to already be getting traffic. There's no point in buying a domain that's not getting any traffic and that you don't plan on branding or building up or some form of something that's going to help you. If you just plan on strictly buying a domain and forwarding it to a CPA offer and you don't want to pay for any traffic, it has to already be getting traffic. Like you're not going to just get a domain, not post it anywhere, not do anything and get just traffic. It doesn't work that way. It has to already be getting traffic for this method to work. All right. So, and you can do this with anything. This can be on YouTube videos. This can be on, Facebook. Like you can find them anywhere, guys. I mean, there's a crap ton of space. Obviously, I can't give away all the places you can go and get some or whatnot, because that's what you got people paying for training for. But yeah, like it's very, very, very simple. You just find a domain. If it's getting traffic, you buy the domain and then you forward the traffic. That's it. Right? Like literally that's it. And all you got to do is just multiply that. So let's say you pay $10 for a domain, right? And then it makes you, let's just say something low, right? Let's say something super low. Let's say it makes you like $20 a month. All right, let's say you do a CPL, you're getting paid like $1 per lead. You get a couple clicks a month, you get a few dollars for each one, right? Now, that doesn't sound like a lot of money on its own by any means. It's not a lot of money by any means or whatnot. But you're paying $10, right? And let's say, for a whole year, which would be 12 months, that's $120 you made from that, $10 investment, right? Right? Or did I have it for this one? I don't know. Let's just say 10 bucks right there, for whatever. All right. So let's just say 10 bucks you making every single month. You make 120 bucks per month and you only spent $10 for the domain, right? Now let's say you get 10 domains, that's doing the same exact thing. Now you're making $1,200 a month, right? And let's say you just keep doing that over and over and over and over and over, and it'll continuously build up. Now, obviously, you got some that are going to do a little less, and you got some that's going to do way more. But the odds are you can't really lose in this here unless you buy a domain that's not making any money. Like, that's not generating any traffic. It's just that simple. Like you can't really lose in it. You're spending like 10 bucks for a domain and then it's already getting traffic. Even if you get like, let's say you get like a total of like 300 clicks or something, and you only get like 30 conversions or something like that, and you only make like 30 bucks. You still just spent $10 to make 30. You just 3x right there. That's not bad at all, But yeah, guys, this is a very simple method here. Literally all you do is you go, you look for a domain, you buy that domain, and you forward that traffic to a CPA offer your store or wherever you want it to go. Now, another thing is you want to also make sure you always follow the flow, okay? Do not break up the flow, guys, okay? That's what a lot of people do. So let's say you go to a blog site or you find something or whatever, right? Whatever type of site it is, and then they are looking for loans, right? And then, on the page that you have, they're like, they're looking to fix up their credit or whatever the case may be. And then from there, you're trying to like send them to dogs, or you're trying to send them to cats, or you're trying to send them to make $500 a day or something like that, right? You need to have it follow the flow. If they're looking to fix their credit, they're looking for a loan, like have another loan offer here. Have, a credit repair. It's like something that falls in that area. Like, even though they're looking for money, like the odds are if they're looking for a loan, they need money, which means they're not going to be able to make $500 a day. It's just that simple. Most of the time there are very few businesses out there that don't require any money where you start making $500 a day guaranteed. And the ones that do, you have to put in literally hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours every single day to be able to do that. All right. So always make sure you follow the flow. Don't reinvent the wheel or whatever you want to call it. Just make it follow the flow. If they're talking about dogs, and they're talking about training the dog, to not pee everywhere, you don't come out with a special discount for dolphin food, right? Like it has to flow. And I know sometimes it might not seem that simple, but you just got to make it to where it is that simple. Stay on the same page. Don't jump from here, to left field. Like, okay, if you got bananas on this page, bananas on this page, bananas on this page, bananas on this page, and bananas on this page, that page where you're sending people to make money better also have something to do with bananas, right? You don't want it to have apples, even though they're both fruit. People are looking for the banana, or whatever the case may be. Stay on topic, guys. If possible, continue with whatever they're doing. So if they're looking for a loan, or credit repair or something like that, try to find an offer that has loans or credit repair. Now, sometimes you're not going to be able to find something in that niche, and you're going to have to improvise and send them to something that might, convert or whatever the case may be. You can always send them to an affiliate, Amazon affiliate link or whatnot. It sucks because it's like has nothing to do with whatever they're talking about, but at the same time, you could also send them to like ebooks. You could send them to like a few different places, when it comes to Amazon. Not to mention, every time someone clicks on your link when it comes to Amazon, you get paid for anything they purchase within the next 24 hours, which is golden, because people are going to buy from Amazon all day long, and you're going to have a really high, conversion rate. So like let's say you get like 100 clicks, you might literally get like 60 or 70 people that order something. Like, it's crazy the amount of people that order from Amazon on a daily basis or whatnot. But I'm kind of jumping off topic here. I'm going from this space to this space, and I'd be confusing some of the people that are new to the channel or whatnot. I just be assuming sometimes that people just go and watch like all my past videos or whatever. I don't know why, but sometimes I do. Right, so I'll be just like saying stuff, and now I realize that I need to explain something because someone might be new to the channel or whatever. But if you guys got any questions, simply drop them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff.